students, next topic of your first chapter is characteristics of a computer. Okay, in previous session we learned about what is computer and what are all the basic terminologies of the computer. Now we'll see what are the characteristics of the computer. Okay, so it includes speed, storage, accuracy, versatility, cost effectiveness and diligence. Okay, now we'll discuss one by one. So what is speed here? Main purpose of using computer is that going to make our work very easy, right? So that speed is very important characteristics of the computer. Okay, so it going to give the accurate result with very speed. Okay, and storage is nothing but memory. Okay, so memory is measured in terms of bits or bytes. So what is byte here? Byte is nothing but it's a collection of 8 bits. So one bit consists of zeros and ones. That is known as bit. Collection of 8 bit is known as byte. Okay. So storage or memory is used to store the data of your computer system. Okay. So what is accuracy here? By making use of the computer, we are going to get the accurate result. Okay, without any errors, we are going to get the resultant with accuracy along with the speed. Okay, so this speed can be measured in terms of MIPS or BIPS, that is million instructions per second and billion instructions per second. Okay, speed of the computer system can be measured either in the terms of MIPS or BIPS. Okay, then storage or memory is used to store the data or information which is necessary for the future task. Okay, so that by making use of this storage or memory, we can retain our data permanently or temporarily. Okay, that is based on the user choice, and that memory is measured in terms of byte. What is byte here? Byte is nothing but collection of 8 bits. Okay, then each bit consists of zeros and ones because computer understands only zeros and one. So that everything will be converted into ASCII format. Then it's going to store the data in the form of bits. Okay, then accuracy is nothing but it's going to give the resultant without any errors. Okay, then what is versatility here? Versatility is nothing but computer is capable of doing any kind of task. Okay, so it has a ability to do with the scientific work also, and we can use the computer for teaching and other trainings. So we can use computer for any kind of the work. That is versatile in nature, in the sense it has a ability or capacity to do any kind of work. Okay, then what is cost effectiveness? So by making use of the computer system, we can minimize the working of paperwork. Okay, that reduces the paperwork and also reduces the human effort, so that we can minimize the cost of the persons or paperwork. That is cost effectiveness. For example, consider if you want to store student data or any employee's data, okay, then you can use database system, so that will reduces the paperwork. No need to carry the register book and need to store all the information regarding the employees. So that by making use of the spreadsheet or database concept, we can store the employees' data. Okay, so that cost effectiveness, in the sense it's going to reduce the human effort along with the paperwork. Okay, that is regarding cost effectiveness. So what is diligence here? Computer is not tired of getting work. Okay, then diligence, in the sense computer is very flexible and it has the ability to do any kind of work without tired or without getting bored. Okay, so it can perform the same task more than 1000 times. Okay, that didn't get bored with the same work along with the same effort. That is regarding diligence. Okay, so diligence is nothing but computer does not get bored or does not get tired. Okay, so it has less limitations. Okay, so these are all the characteristics of the computer that we have to consider. So that what are all the characteristics now? Speed, that is measured in terms of MIPS or BIPS, that is million instructions per second, then billion instructions per second. Storage or memory is nothing but used to store the data or information which is necessary for the future use. Okay, that is storage of the computer system is measured in terms of byte or bits. So byte is nothing but collection of 8 bits. Okay, accuracy is nothing but data will be produced in terms of accurate result that doesn't include any kind of errors. Okay, then versatility is nothing but computer is capable of doing any kind of work. It can be either research work or teaching, training, or it includes any photographs, or you can also use the computer for entertainment purpose too, right? So that computer is nothing but is versatile in nature. Then cost effectiveness in the sense it reduces the human effort and it also reduces the paperwork so that we can minimize the cost. Then what is diligence here? Computer has less limitations, that it doesn't get bored or doesn't get tired, so that it can do the same task more than 1000 times with the same speed and accuracy. Okay, so these are all the characteristics that you have to concentrate while dealing with the computer system.